Today I'll be reviewing the CLX Horus Prebuilt Gaming PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this Prebuilt Gaming PC for yourself and get it at an awesome price, make sure to check out the links below this video. So if you're looking for a powerhouse of a Prebuilt Gaming PC, look no further than the CLX Horus Gaming PC. This is a beast of a pre-built gaming PC that looks stunning as well, with the glass side panels so you can see the RGB lighting for the fans inside this pre-built gaming PC. This is for the high-end gamer playing the AAA games at ultra settings with over 100 plus frames per second on all the AAA games like Fortnite, Minecraft, Roblox, GTA 5, and more. It will play all these games with stunning graphics, very quiet, and it's quite amazing. So here are some of the specs of this pre-built gaming PC. It's got an Intel Core i9 14900KF processor with 3.2 GHz, a GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card, 2TB NVMe M.2 SSD, 6TB of hard disk drive space, and 64GB of DDR5 RGB memory. 360mm AIO, Wi-Fi enabled, and it has Windows 11 pre-installed. So what does this all mean for you? This means you're getting a super high-end pre-built gaming PC that will do anything you want to do with it. As I mentioned, you can play all your AAA games at ultra settings and super high frame rates per second. You can do streaming. You can do a lot of multitasking with this computer. You can have hundreds of tabs open on your browsers without it slowing down at all. It will boot instantly. And you can do anything you want, like video editing, animation, work on this PC. Anything you can think of, you can do. And it also is a stunning looking pre-built gaming PC. It also has industry-leading customer support if you have any issues. It's a very high-end quality gaming PC. I've used CLX gaming PCs before, and this one is no exception. So if you're wanting a pre-built gaming PC that looks awesome, runs super fast, is very quiet, doesn't overheat at all, will have no issues whatsoever, play all the AAA games, and be good for many years to come because of the high quality components that can be upgraded as well in the future, then this is definitely the PC you want to check out for yourself, the CLX Horus Pre-Built Gaming PC. And if you want to get it at an amazing price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.